Take my fucking money. Just take it all. Just take it all, please. Keep taking it. Keep taking it.
Don't run away, run away. Run up on the mountain, I see down below. It's easy to lose yourself, I know.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt, back again with another video, and I kind of bought something, and it was really expensive. Well, not something, some things, and they were really expensive. I finally went through with something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time with my car, and well, let me just show you. Here we are, AmericanMuscle.com. So, as you can see, I went ahead and got some Ford Performance 373 gears and aluminum one-piece drive shaft and some radiator coolant, because you know, Texas heat be getting to us out here. I don't know about you guys, but my car gets really dirty and dusty, and I kind of need to be dusting it quite often since it's a dark color. I must say though, man, this damn car is coming together really nicely. It sure is a money pit. You know, it takes a lot of money to buy car mods. Everybody knows that, but god dang it. Sometimes I look at my car and I'm just like, damn, that's my car. That is my car. I drive it every day and I don't that doesn't cross my mind, but you know, sometimes I just take a step back and I'm like, wow, I did this for this car. What's up, Domino's girl? Delivering some pizza? Gotta put some gas. What's new? Take my fucking money. Just take it all. Just take it all, please. Keep taking it. Keep taking it. Let's go. I already want my 373 gears, damn it. What is this thing gonna feel like with the damn gears on the car? I've heard that it's like a miniature supercharger, or that's at least what it feels like. Do you guys ever have those people in like Altimas or like, I don't know, just like random sedans, and they always try to like race you? Why am I gonna try and race you? I know your fucking Civic's faster, man. Chill. So another thing I wanted to tell you guys is I want to do a Q&A. So this video, I'm letting you guys know I'm doing a Q&A for either the next video or the video after. I'm gonna do a Q&A. So this video, go ahead and leave your questions down below in the comment section, or I'm gonna put a post on Instagram and you can leave your questions there. So anything you guys want to ask me, Matt, why is your car so slow? Matt, why do you look so stupid? Anything, go ahead and drop a comment and your question will be in the video. 373 gears. People are gonna be asking me, why didn't you get 410s, bro? But I'm gonna make a video on why exactly I got 373s. Yeah, I hear you. 373 gears, guys, on the way. And now all I need to do now is find a shop that'll install them for me for a good price. I'm not trying to pay like 800 bucks for a gear install, but I'm preparing myself to be paying at least like $500. That's what I'm preparing for. If I can find a shop that'll do it for cheaper, then whoopee. But if this is your first time dropping in, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for me, drop a like, and we got some big things coming, man. I have some big plans for this channel, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna want to be around for that. And also guys, make sure you drop your questions down below like I said earlier. For the Q&A video, I'll put your comment and I'll leave your name and everything. I won't blur out your name unless you want me to. But leave a comment, leave a question, subscribe if you're new, and hey, we have some big things coming. See you guys later.